Welcome to our video on essential resources for sustainable fashion consulting. We'll guide you through books, podcasts, YouTube videos, courses, and websites that can help you build a successful, sustainable fashion consulting business. Let's start with books. Sustainable Fashion and Textiles Design Journeys by Kate Fletcher offers a comprehensive overview of sustainable fashion and textiles. It's a must-read for anyone interested in sustainable fashion consulting. Another valuable book is Fashion and Sustainability: Design for Change by Kate Fletcher and Linda Gross. This book delves into sustainable fashion design and provides insights into sustainable fashion consulting practices. Podcasts are another great resource. The Sustainable Fashion Podcast covers various aspects of sustainable fashion, including consulting. It's perfect for staying updated on industry trends and gaining practical advice. YouTube videos can also be incredibly informative. Sustainable Fashion Consulting by Fashion Revolution offers an excellent overview of the field. It's a great starting point for visual learners. For those looking to deepen their knowledge, courses are invaluable. Sustainable Fashion: The What, Why, and How by Future Learn covers everything you need to know about sustainable fashion consulting. Websites like Fashion Revolution and Sustainable Apparel Coalition provide extensive resources for sustainable fashion consulting. These platforms offer articles, case studies, and tools to help you succeed. In conclusion, these resources, books, podcasts, YouTube videos, courses, and websites are essential for anyone looking to excel in sustainable fashion consulting. Utilize them to build a successful and impactful consulting business.